Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books. This week's phrase I'm suggesting is he pātai tāku, and that comes from our Anzac book, which is called Ka Mau Mahara Tonu. So the very first part of the book is a little girl asking her koro. She's saying, I have a question. He pātai tāku. So that means I have a question. And then through the rest of the book she's saying, he pātai anō tāku. So she's asking her koro questions about his koro, which turns out he was at Gallipoli. So he pātai tāku is a really good phrase to add to your kete. So let's say you're wanting to ask somebody in the family something, you don't know how to ask it in Māori, but you could say, he pātai tāku, which means I have a question. And then once people around you, workmates, children, family members get used to you saying, he pātai tāku, they'll quickly catch on that it means I have a question. And so they'll say, oh, what's that? And they'll get the hang of that straight away. And then you can ask the question in English, unless you particularly know how to ask it in te reo. So I think many of us are working with children, and so once we start saying to a child, he pātai tāku, we can say that in English as well. So for example, he pātai tāku, I have a question, and then say your question in English. And then after a while with children, don't say the English, just say he pātai tāku, and use that with other adults around you as well. And then you will hear that children will start using that before with the question that they want to ask. And that's really cool. So I really encourage you to try and make this week the week that you say, he pātai tāku, I have a question. And it's a lovely one and a pretty simple one really, and something that, if you're like me, we've always got questions. All the best with that. Ka kite.